Hello everyone. Welcome back to Bright English Side. Have you ever been new at a school or a university? Maybe you didn't know anyone. Maybe you felt a little nervous. It's not always easy to start in a new place. You don't know the people. You don't know where to go. And sometimes, you feel a little lonely. Well, today's story is about a new student and a simple act of kindness. We will meet Chloe and Ethan. Ethan is new at the university. He doesn't know anyone yet, but one friendly conversation can change everything. Can a simple hello lead to a new friendship? Let's find out. As you watch, try to understand the conversation. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. Just listen carefully and enjoy the story. Let's begin.
Hi, Daniel. Can I have an iced matcha latte, please?
Hi, Chloe. I'm sorry, the matcha machine is broken today.
Oh no, really?
Yes, really. The machine doesn't work this morning.
Okay, no problem. Can I have an iced caramel latte instead?
Sure, one iced caramel latte. Coming right up. Anything else?
No thanks, Daniel.
You're welcome. Just give me 5 minutes.
Take your time. I'm not in a rush.
Chloe, there you are.
Hi, Eva. Good morning.
Good morning. Are you getting coffee?
Yeah, an iced caramel latte. The matcha machine is broken.
Oh, that's annoying. By the way, everyone is at our usual table.
Okay, great. I'll come in a minute.
Don't take too long. Zoe has news about the weekend.
Ooh, really? Now I'm curious. I'll be there soon.
Okay, see you there.
Hey, Chloe. Still waiting for your drink? Yes, almost ready. Hey, look over there. Where? That table in the corner. Do you know that guy?
No, I don't think I've ever seen him before.
Me neither. And he's sitting all alone.
He must be new. Most people here are sitting with friends.
Yeah, you're right. That's a little sad.
Maybe someone should say hi to him.
Maybe.
Here you go, Chloe. Your iced caramel latte.
Thank you. Hey, Daniel, can I ask you something?
Sure, what's up?
Do you know that guy, the one sitting alone over there?
Oh, him? Yes, he's new. He came in alone, ordered water, and just sat down.
Has anyone talked to him?
I don't think so. He's been sitting there alone for a while.
Okay, thanks, Daniel.
You're welcome.
Zoe, go ahead to the table. I want to talk to him first.
Okay, good idea, Chloe. See you there.
Hi, is this seat free?
Oh, yes, it's free.
Great, thanks.
No problem.
I'm Chloe, by the way.
Nice to meet you. I'm Ethan.
Nice to meet you too, Ethan. I haven't seen you before. Are you new here?
Yes, this is only my 3rd day.
Really? Welcome to Westview.
Thank you.
So, what do you study?
Computer science.
Oh, nice. Do you like it?
Yes, I do. I like computers a lot.
That's great. So, where are you from?
I'm from Manchester, England.
Wow, that's far away.
Yeah, it is.
Do you like it there?
Yes, I really like Manchester. My friends and family are there.
Then why did you move here?
My dad got a new job, so my family moved here a few months ago.
That must be difficult.
A little. Everything is new for me.
Don't worry, you'll get used to it.
I hope so.
And you won't be alone.
What do you mean?
I have a great group of friends. They're all sitting over there.
Really?
Yep, they're friendly, funny, and sometimes a little crazy.
They sound interesting.
Do you want to meet them?
Okay, sure, why not?
Great, come on, follow me.
Okay, let's go.
Hi everyone, this is Ethan. He's new here and he's from England.
Hi, Ethan. Welcome.
Nice to meet you. Come and sit with us.
Thanks.
England?
Yeah, I'm from Manchester.
Cool. Do you like football?
Yes, I do. I love football.
Really? Me too.
My favorite team is Manchester United.
No way. We need to talk about football later.
Be careful, Ethan. Once Jack starts talking about football, he doesn't stop.
Hey, that's not true.
It is a little true. Anyway, I'm Alex.
So, Ethan, what do you study?
Computer science.
Wait, computer science?
Yeah.
Me too.
Really?
Yep, we study the same thing.
That's awesome. So you're a computer science student too?
I am.
Cool. Maybe we'll have some classes together.
I hope so.
Is computer science difficult?
Sometimes, but I enjoy it. What about you?
Zoe and I study business.
Hey, me too. Don't forget me.
Sorry.
No problem, not a big deal.
And I study engineering.
Wow, you all study different things.
That's true.
Then how do you all know each other?
We've been friends for a long time.
We met in elementary school.
Some of us have known each other since kindergarten.
Really? That's amazing.
Yep, we grew up together.
And somehow we're still friends.
They can't get rid of me.
So, Ethan, what's Manchester like? Is it rainy all the time?
Pretty much. It rains a lot, but I still miss it sometimes.
Nice. Why don't you join our coding club? I'm a member.
Really?
Yeah, we meet every week and work on different projects.
That sounds interesting. I've never been in a coding club before. What do you do there?
We build simple apps, websites, and other fun projects.
That's cool.
Great. I think you'll enjoy it.
Maybe I'll give it a try. Can I go with you there next time?
Sure, I'd be happy to.
What classes do you have this semester, Ethan?
Computer science, math, and English.
Which class do you like the most?
Probably computer science.
Good answer.
I think you're going to fit in with this group just fine.
I hope so.
Don't worry, you're already doing great.
Thanks, everyone.
So, Ethan, how are you feeling now?
Much better, actually.
Better than this morning?
Definitely.
Why?
Because this morning I didn't know anyone.
And now?
Now I have people to sit with at lunch.
See? We work fast.
Welcome to the group, Ethan.
Thank you. I'm really happy I came over here today.
Actually, Chloe came over to you.
Good point.
And I'm glad I did.
Me too.
Girls, come on, we need to go. Our business lecture starts in 10 minutes.
Yeah, we should hurry. We don't want to be late again. Okay, wait a second. I just need to grab my things.
Now the girls are leaving, we can finally talk about football. So, what's your favorite team?
Manchester United. What about you?
Nice. I like them too.
Football? Seriously?
You don't like football?
Why not? It's the perfect time to talk about it.
I do like football, normally. But we have a computer science lecture now. It's not the time for football.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and we also need to go. We have the class in a few minutes.
Let me get this straight. You all have classes, you are all leaving together, and I'm the only one staying here alone for the next 30 minutes?
Don't worry, Jack. We'll meet after our classes.
You're not left out. You just have a different schedule.
It's okay. We'll all meet later.
Fine, I guess I'll survive.
Okay, everyone. See you after class. Same place as always.
Bye.
See you.
Bye.
Don't forget me.
And that's the end of today's story. When Ethan arrived at university, he felt alone. Everything was new. The people were new. The place was new, but one simple hello changed everything. Sometimes, a small kind action can make a big difference. So remember, if you see someone sitting alone, don't be afraid to say hello. A smile, a kind word, or a short conversation can change someone's whole day. We hope you enjoyed today's story and learned some new English. Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep learning with Bright English Side. To all who continued, thank you for watching until the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, what story should we make next? See you in the next lesson. Goodbye everyone, and keep shining.